Greetings, welcome to my channel. Um, I am Sabla Labale, and we back again with another piece titled "I Am a Bird," and it goes as follows: I am a bird, and you cannot deprive me from flying. I am a bird, and you cannot deprive me from flying. You may deprive me from an opportunity, but I'm still going to fly. You may suppress my greatness, but I'm still going to fly. I may fall and fall, but I am going to pick myself and I am going to fly. You remember that birds eat on the ground for strength, but they still fly? Remember that birds eat on the ground for strength, but still fly. As Maya Angelou would say, and still I rise, I quote, you may shoot me. You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I rise. You may break me, but I am a force unshakable. Remember that I am a bird and you cannot deprive me from flying. And I am a bird and you cannot deprive me from flying. And thank you. So tell me what you think and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.